So it's time for another episode of OMG MOTO. I am on my way to a Harley Davidson chapter meeting. So I was talking to a few guys in the chapter and they were just like, you ought to go up to the dealership and see if they'll let you do a motorcycle review. And I thought, yeah, you know, there's a couple other moto vloggers out there that do that. That's pretty cool. I enjoy watching them. So I might give that a try. I'll probably roll up there and see if they'll let me. I'd love for them to let me grab an FXDR. And you know, I know there's been a lot of mixed reviews from different folks. It's not a traditional Harley, and there's some stuff that's on it, just from what I've seen of it. It looks traditional, and then there's some other stuff that looks like it belongs on some other type of motorcycle. But you know, the only thing that, just by looking at one, the only thing that I kind of didn't like was the little rear fender and the way they had the tail lights set up on it. I thought that was a little odd looking, but everything else I kind of, you know, it's not too bad looking. I like it a little bit. I don't know that it's the bike for me, but I definitely think it has its place in the Harley Davidson lineup for certain, and it's kind of cool looking. It looks like it would be fun to ride. Hold on. All right. I don't know if I'll have time to run over there after the chapter meeting's over with. But if I do, then I'll see if they'll let me grab one. If not, then what I'll do is head over there tomorrow. Tomorrow is my off day from my job. And I'll run over there and see if they'll let me do a test ride review. That nice weather's out, people are jogging and trying to get in shape, get ready for the beach. But I briefly spoke a while back about I was having some laptop issues, and I can't remember at that point if I had decided to purchase something or I was thinking about purchasing something. I was having some software issues, and I ended up purchasing an iMac, and I have to pick it up as well tomorrow. So I kind of have 3 vlogs that need to be edited and are waiting to be edited. And then, so I'll probably put out maybe 2 this week, and then seeing how this one will be the 4th one, I'll put out 2 next week. This one will be a week behind. I'll get some ride time in tomorrow, and edit some videos tomorrow as well. This is where my cell phone holder used to be, and I think I've decided on, finally figured out one. It broke. It didn't last long. I bought a cheap one off of Amazon, and it really didn't last very long before it broke. But I think I found one that I'm going to purchase. If I ever do give reviews on things, I will have to use them for a little while, and I can't just take something out one time or a week, or you know, depending on how much of that stuff I do, I may put 15 or 30 days into it, or a bunch of miles into it, to see how it holds up, and you know, maybe come up with a couple of different categories on the product that I'm reviewing. It will be a real world review. I will not be persuaded by the almighty dollar, unless it's a lot of money. No. I kid. I like this Elliston soda shop. It's a neat little place. It's over here in the Cool Springs area. It's kind of like a old 50s burger joint. Look, there's already some guys here. Usually I'm the last person to show up. There's already 2 guys here. I think there's a pothole over here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. I thought I remembered that. Last time I came out this way.
So we're the first people that have shown up for the chapter meeting tonight. You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
I'm all hungry.
Yeah? That's awesome. Hey, Messy Marvin. Are you pouting? Oh my goodness. Good thing I got that on camera.
All right, so that was a little bit of the chapter meeting. But apparently tonight I found out that Harley Davidson of Cool Springs is changing their name. And I believe it's going to be called Moonshine Harley Davidson. So there's going to be a large event on the 20th of April. I saw the moonshine thing, but I just figured it was just the name of the event. I didn't realize they were changing the name. If you're in this area, I would say that they're going to discount some of the Cool Springs Harley Davidson apparel. You know, that'd be neat to have.